Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the black screen overlay on video in CapCut PC. So first I'm just going to add the video to the track and just add the video. So to add the black screen overlay, go to library. You can find the black screen. Just add to the track, put on top as an overlay. So we just use an overlay and we just for the duration and can melt it. So you can combine just like basic and scroll down. You can turn on the plane and select mode. So you can select brighten or you can select a screen, you can select darken, select overlay, and adjust for the opacity. Or you can make the like place with the black screen. So just copy paste and give a distance. Pass it in and see. Like so. So that's how you can add the black screen overlay on video. And CapCut PC, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much.